Hello, I'm Molly and I'm here with Anthony, our Operations Director here at Bridge Classic Cars for our weekly workshop tour.
Yes.
Now today we are in the main workshop, aren't we, Anthony?
Yeah, so we're in the main workshop. Not got many in here today, but there's been lots been going on today. So lots of cars have been finished and now ready for collection. So yeah, so we're quite empty at the moment, which is nice.
Okay, well let's have a little look around. Where would you like us to go first?
Let's start with the MGC.
Now, this is really quite exciting. So this MGC GT was actually won this morning. So this morning, this wonderful car was won by one of our very lucky people who entered our competitions.
Indeed, yes.
I believe his name was Jeremy. Jeremy, I'm correct. I was
Well
like,
done.
oh gosh, yeah, definitely. So yeah, it was won this morning, and now I'm guessing, is it having a PDI?
Having a PDI, so we just obviously make sure that everything's perfectly fine with it. All its lights levels, tyre pressures will all be checked, and make sure it's good, it's ready to go. So yeah.
Perfect, and I believe this is actually quite a person who's local to us.
I believe so, yeah.
Winning it, so
Yeah.
I think it's actually being delivered tomorrow. So how about that?
That's it, yeah.
You win a competition and then get it delivered the next day.
Yeah, so that was the aim. When we found out it was obviously quite local, we thought, let's get it into the workshop, let's get it checked over and then give it to the customer.
Amazing.
I know, so brilliant. So behind us is the Jensen 541.